How to fix blur home screen wallpaper on iPhone in iOS 17. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix blur home screen wallpaper on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, launch the settings menu on your device. On the settings menu, swipe down to find wallpaper and tap on it. Now tap on customize wallpaper. Here turn off blur option at the bottom right corner of the page. So guys, you can see that as soon as I turn off the blur option, the wallpaper is clearly visible. And as soon as I turn it on, the wallpaper will blur again. So you have to turn off the blur option. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.